So I want to try to show everybody these crossbars. I believe the guy's name is Devin. I apologize if I'm screwing that up, but he offered on the WK2 page to buy his crossbars off of Amazon and he would refund you. I got those with a coupon for 70 or 80 bucks, and he asked for my PayPal. Actually gave me the money back right away without even making a review, but still told him I'd do this. I got the fronts on, they're perfect. And the directions kind of stunk, but basically all it tells you to do is you put the key in, take the cap off, pull up the rubber here, and you got two bolts. Outer, or I guess inner bolt you'd call it here on this side, is going to be for foot position to move back and forth. This guy you got to take all the way out, okay? And it's going to, because otherwise you're like, how does it sit in here? It's not going to sit right. That's going to release the foot here. And it's going to be a little difficult for me to show you here while I'm doing it. Basically, I'm placing that right in the track, and then this guy is going to lock in. You're going to screw it back down, slide the rubber all the way out, reinsert it all the way, put your cap back on and lock it. Looks like they work pretty good. These things are solid as hell. And again, these were available for about 80 bucks with a reimbursement cost for I guess, I don't know, 11 to 21 Grand Cherokees. We'll be putting the Thule box on the roof from the van, and that's it.